If you've been considering starting an online business and you've heard of all these other business models like SMMA, dropshipping, day trading and so much more, in today's video I'm going to showcase you a brand new business model called software arbitrage, and within that business model I'm going to show you exactly how it works and the main features that you can offer to businesses to stack monthly reoccurring revenue from your clients. So when you're starting an online business, there is a bunch of factors that you need to take into consideration. The main ones really are how big the profit margins are, how many hours you're going to be working, how much time it takes to get off the ground, and just overall how the business runs. You know, are you going to be running something that you want to be running in 5 years from now, 10 years from now? Well, luckily for you, everything that I'm about to cover in today's video ticks all of these boxes in terms of the highest profit margins, the least amount of time you need to work and do physical work for clients. And it's something that is actually fulfilling because you're able to make money no matter where you are. You could be in your hometown, you could be traveling all around the globe with your laptop, and you're still going to be stacking monthly reoccurring revenue from your clients. So over on the computer right now, I am using a software platform called GoHighLevel. And if you've never heard of GoHighLevel before, I have a completely free step-by-step course down below that shows you not only how to get all of this set up, how to get clients, how to reach out to clients, absolutely everything that you can offer to these clients, different lifestyle and marketing hacks and you can use, different business tips and tricks, bunch of different templates, scripts, pre-built automations, pre-built websites, all for completely free. If you don't want access to that, click on that first link down below in the description. So the first main feature that I recommend offering to businesses as part of your software agency business, your software arbitrage business, is called auto missed call text back, and this is by far the easiest one that you can get set up for a business and deploy inside of their business literally within seconds. So inside of my GoHighLevel account right here, as you can see, I'm inside my GoHighLevel account. All you need to do is navigate over to the settings tab in the very bottom left, head over to business profile, and if you scroll down all the way, you will see this feature right here called missed call text back. If you enable that right here, as you can see, we get a text on here just says hi, this is location name, and location name being growth rate, which is my business. That will automatically change for your clients. I saw that we just missed your call, how can I help? So now the reason behind this feature right here, say for example, think about the last time that you were hungry and you searched for local restaurants in your local area. So you might have been in your hometown, you might have been traveling. If you search for restaurants near me, I can guarantee you went to the restaurant that had the highest star ratings, the best reviews, and overall the best images. That is usually how Google Maps ranks those businesses. More than likely it was one of those businesses near the top, if not the very top. And if one of those restaurants required booking, what you would have to do is obviously call that restaurant. You just give them a call, you let them know how many people are going, you let them know the time, and you're pretty much booked in. Now what would happen if that restaurant didn't answer? More than likely, if you were extremely hungry, you would go to the very next one down the list, so you would go to your second choice. Now what this feature right here does, that first restaurant that you called and they missed your call, literally within seconds of them missing that call, you will get this text message right here directly to your mobile phone. This will instantly re-engage you so you don't go to that next business down the list. So they've pretty much roped you back in as a customer, and you will most likely be having dinner that evening in that restaurant. Now the next feature that I'm going to show you is a little more technical, but it's not really that difficult to set up. And don't worry, this is also all taught inside of my completely free step-by-step course below. This one right here is called reputation management, and this is a demo account that I've set up. This is the actual account that I use whenever I am doing demos to businesses. So whether I'm walking into businesses or whether I'm on a Zoom call with a business, I pull this exact screen up right here. What reputation management is, you're able to help your clients get a bunch more online Google reviews, but completely hide and internalize any of the negative reviews that they're getting. This not only drastically increases their ranking on Google, but it makes them look so much better. It makes them look like the business that they deserve to look like on Google, because I know not everyone will have a good experience at a business. That's just life, that's just business, and that's how things go. Not everything is going to be 10 out of 10 every single time, but any of those negative experiences are going directly to your client being the business owner, and they're not going public on Google. So how this works is, for example, if you were working with a hotel, they might have you know, a small tablet or a small laptop set up inside their office or at the reception. What your clients' customers would do is fill out their name, fill out their first name, fill out their email and their phone number, and they will receive an email that takes them to this page right here. I usually like to set up a 30-minute delay on this email right here, so it gives them enough time after they've checked out. You know, they might be driving in their car or they might be sitting in the passenger seat. 30 minutes later, they get an email asking them to leave a review for their business. And because they have literally just checked out and the experience is very fresh inside their head, most likely they will then leave a review. The longer you wait on that, the less chance that your client will actually get the review. So how this actually works, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stars. If we click either 4 or 5 stars, this pop-up comes up and it takes us to either Google or TripAdvisor, and this is completely customizable. This is literally just a website template that I also give you inside of the free course. You can, you know, remove TripAdvisor, you can remove Google, you can add booking.com, you can add Yelp, you can add or remove any of these platforms. And what actually happens whenever you click on one of these logos, it will take you directly to their Google business or their TripAdvisor listing, and the pop-up will already be there to leave a review. They don't need to go through a bunch of steps like finding the hotel or finding the restaurant and, you know, clicking the leave us a review button. This is automatically already done for them, and all they need to do is leave their review publicly on that page right there. But what actually happens whenever they click either 1, 2, or 3 stars? Now, you know, like I said, not everyone will have a great experience. Some people will have complaints. You know, these might actually be real, they might have had a negative experience, but we all know that some people like leaving negative reviews just for the sake of it. That's just the type of people they are. What we're able to do for your clients in that case is if they click either 1, 2, or 3 stars, it takes into this internal feedback form right here. This is literally just a form, and the information will get sent directly to your client, being the business owner. So it not only gives the customer a chance to, you know, get everything off their chest, but this one goes directly internal to the business owner, so it's not going public, and it also gives your client the chance to reach out to that person and maybe try and rectify the situation. They can maybe offer a discount on the next meal, a free stay at the hotel room, or just some sort of freebie to get them back to try and make up for the negative experience. Now, the next thing that you need to offer to businesses if you're planning on making money with GoHighLevel is the thousands and thousands of pre-made, ready to go plug and play templates that you can literally just download, put your client's logo directly on them, and put them live on the internet. This is my website right here, growthrate.info. This is the website for my own software business. And this website right here is also built inside of GoHighLevel. And also, do not worry, inside of the free course, I also give you the exact template to this website right here, so you can just plug and play, get it up and running, put your own logo on there, swap out my growth rate logo, put your logo on there, and start selling this right away. But if we head back out to websites and go to new website, we can click on from templates and click continue. It will then load up the thousands and thousands and literally thousands of website templates inside of GoHighLevel. They're adding to this literally every single week. I get notified all of the time about all of the brand new website templates that they got. There are so many different industries to choose from. You know, if you're planning on working with insurance companies or maybe beauty and fashion, so hair salons, nail salons, barber shops, automotive, so you know, those car dealerships and car repair shops, business consulting, there are literally so many website templates that you can use, choose, get up and running for your clients so you can start making money today with this business model. So like I said at the start of this video, if you would like access to a completely free step-by-step course that takes you through absolutely everything from how to set everything up, how to set up GoHighLevel, how to find potential clients, how to reach out to potential clients, all the different methods that we use to reach out, and quite a lot of them are completely automated, meaning that you don't need to do it, a bunch of different website templates that you can use, all my sales scripts, all my sales tactics, practically everything that you need to get this business model started, off the ground and up and running, all for completely free. So if you would like access to that, click on that first link down below in the description. You can also check it inside of the pinned comment down below. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to also leave those down below. So if you would like to make a change in your life, sign up for that completely free course. Check out the free course down below. It would be much appreciated if you could drop a like and a sub to my channel, as it really helps me out. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.